Okay, now let's take a look at what happens if we have something like 12 times 2/3. Okay, we have a whole number times a fraction. Well, hey, a couple of slides ago, you learned how to multiply two fractions together. So let's just make this a problem that has two fractions in it. When we have a whole number, we can always write the whole number by writing the denominator 1. Okay, because 12 is the same as 12 wholes, okay, or 12 over 1. So I have 12 over 1 times 2 over 3. I multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, reduce if possible. Bam, done. Okay, 12 times 2, 24. 1 times 3, 3. 24 thirds. This is the same thing as 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 is just 8. Okay, so our simplest terms is 8. 24 thirds is equivalent to 8. So that would be an equivalent answer. Okay, easy. Write 1 is the denominator under any whole number, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators.